Hello everybody, how's it going? Murphy, are you looking out the window? Is it raining outside? Oh, I can't go out, eh? No, not with all this hair. No, you just be one great big mop. Yes. Do you want to say hi to everybody? So, your name is Murphy. Well, that's a pretty name, isn't it? We picked Murphy because Murphy could be a boy or a girl, right? Are you saying hi? Are you looking in the camera there to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Are you looking at all the pretty birds out there? Yeah. You're still shy? Are you ever gonna talk? Maybe? Okay. Well, this is only your second camera appearance, so I understand you're shy. Did you see are you looking at the new deck? Yeah, it's pretty nice out there, eh? Can we get more light? Eh? Oh, look at all the rain out there. Oh, sucks, right? Yep, it does. Well, we just wanted to say hi today and say hello to everybody and see how everybody is doing. Hey, is everybody getting ready for the 4th of July? Hey, is it gonna go, maybe, what are they gonna do? I know we didn't do any much, did we? No. But we spent our day inside and painting and stuff because we weren't feeling well, eh? Yeah, I wasn't feeling very good. No. What do you want to say? Oh. Oh. Murphy says he wants to go now. He really wants to go outside, but he's so sad. Hey Murphy? Yeah. Is it time for breakfast, you think? Okay. So everybody wish Murphy a good day. Hey? Hey, you want to cuddle? Okay, I'll cuddle. There we go. he's just he's just shy. Hey, yeah, you're just shy. Aw, my poor baby. Hey, okay. Can you say goodbye to everybody? Hey, can you say goodbye to everybody? Okay. You want to have some breakfast and cuddle? Okay. Alright guys, have a good day. Try and stay dry. Bye. This is a photograph above my house and I've named it Puppies Playing in the Sky.